feels so good to be back and in my room filming for you guys. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do turn on the bell notification and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. As always, I just got back from Fiji few days ago and I was so busy unpacking my stuff, and like literally when you are back from somewhere you don't want to do work, so like literally I usually post on Mondays and Thursdays. So that's why today is Sunday and I thought, okay, like I should start filming. So yeah, in today's video I will be unboxing my September Bellabox, which came here in the mail when I was away in Fiji. So like I don't know what is inside here, so let's see together what is inside this September's Bellabox. So as usual, the box looks like this, and for those of you who don't know what Bellabox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 6, I think, full size to sample size products to try and then buy if you want to. And also it is, I think, $20 or under $22 Australian, I think. And I will leave the website link below if you wish to check it out. It's literally awesome. I love to try new products, and then if I like it I will definitely buy. So yeah, this is a good option if you want to try new products. And yeah, I love it, and like it is delivered direct to your doors each month, which is so good. And yeah, let's open and see what is inside. Like it is packed like this. Okay, first thing is this card which says, hello, yes, this is Glow Getter speaking. Oh, looks like this. And at the back it has all the products details and retail value and where you can get it from. So the first product I can see here is Morphe Beauty Cover and Treat Hydrating Concealer. This is a full-size product. Let's see. Okay, it looks like this. So good to try a concealer. And at the back it looks like this. And let's open because I want to see. So this product has tea tree oil, coconut oil, hydrating formula and a natural looking. So it will give you that natural looking look, and it says mask skin imperfection and brighten under eye circles with this nourishing lightweight concealer. Morphe Beauty Cover and Treat Hydrating Concealer applies flawlessly onto skin to provide natural looking coverage. So the unique hydrating core featuring coconut oil is designed to instantly quench skin, keeping it smooth and luminous, while tea tree oil tackles blemishes. Wow, can't even say anything today, like literally I can't do this, but I have to. It says apply under eyes or to imperfection, what I'm saying, I don't know, blend into skin for a flawless finish. So it says available in 2 shades, light to medium, so I got medium. Okay, it is very nourishing and it is very smooth too, and like it blends okay too, but I don't know, I have to apply on my face to know, but like it is good, I think, but I will try in my upcoming videos and let you guys know. So it says here $14 Australian, available at makobeauty.com, and also here in Woolworths. Like I haven't seen this in Woolworths because I hardly go to Woolworths to shop. So like it's a supermarket here. I usually go to Coles, LD. Like I love Coles, so like Woolworths, like it's good to try this brand's product. It is only Australian $14 and it's a full size product. And the second product is this Wet and Wild Silk Finish lipstick. Wow, got a lipstick today. Okay, it is like this, and the color is What's Up Doc, and it is 13 hours of product in here, and it is only $2.99, available at discountbeautyboutique.com.au. I haven't heard of this website. Like literally I am going to check it out because I love Wet and Wild products. And it says here, delivering a flush of color to brighten your winter days. This lipstick is enriched with conditioning ingredients for the ultimate satin lip. Okay, let me open and check if I like the color or not. Usually I don't wear this kind of color, but I think it's good for spring. Okay, I love it. The color looks like this. It's literally beautiful and it's very moisturizing, I think. Yeah. Okay, this is only $2.99 and it's a full size product. Moving on, the next product is this Garnier Fructis hair food. Oh wow, this is something good. 1 minute hair mask plus papaya extract. This sounds good. It says here naturally 98% ingredients. Natural ingredients are 98% in here, and it says vegan formula, yes, and 94% biodegradable formula, yes. No silicones, no parabens, no artificial colors, which is awesome. Like look at it, it's a damage repairing treat, 1 minute hair mask, and like by Garnier. Like literally this is awesome. And it is a 100 ml treat size, and it's quite big. And it says here, treat your hair with a dose of super fruit extract with Garnier Fructis hair food. This gem can be used on as a hair mask, conditioner, or leave-in treatment. It will leave your locks feeling smooth and nourished. 100 ml retails for $6.95. 390 ml retails for $11.95. This is only 100 ml and available at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, Coles, Woolworths, and Big W. I love hair treatments and hair masks, like I always do at home, so this is very handy. Okay, the next product is this Chemo Lab Hep Tea Pure Calming Mask. I think this is a sheet mask. Yeah, it looks like this, and it says here, to deliver the ultimate glow, Chemo Labs line of Korean skincare staples fuse mineral rich thermal water, eco energy, and natural nourishment. Each product is designed to hydrate, rejuvenate, and restore radiant without the use of parabens, mineral oils, or artificial coloring. 10 sheets retails for $59. 10 sheets for $59, and available at adobeauty.com.au, and like literally I love masks, so it's good to try. And whatever product I got till now, I love it. Like all of them, I love it. They are so great. Like these September month's products are literally so good. And I got some more left here, which is Coach Floral Blush UT perfume. So it's a perfume, and I love perfumes. This is a simple size perfume, and it looks like this. Packaging is cool, the color is cool, I love it. And it says here Coach Floral, I can't even say anything today. Coach Floral Blush delivers in any colorful scent with sparkling notes of goji berries. Okay, this one 90 ml retails for $155, available at Maya and David Jones. So 90 ml, $155, and this one is only 2 ml. Gosh. So cute. Let me. Oh my gosh. Smells literally just wow. And last of all, it is a John Frieda Frizz is a Secret Weapon and Extra Strength Serum. This is a bonus product, and this is to prevent heat damage and humidity, eliminate frizz, and add moisture. So these two products are bonus to try. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like everything in this box is just wow. Like literally, Bellabox is awesome. If you haven't yet subscribed, you should definitely do it. And it's available in Australia and New Zealand, and it is only under $22, I think, Australian, and it is delivered direct to your doors. Links are below in the description box. If you wish, you can check it out, and also subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of my future videos. Join me on all social media sites. Links will be below as always. And thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.